question number 3 is the Van Dorf's factor for the compound which undergoes the dissociation in one solvent and association in the another solvent is respectively. Option A, less than 1 and greater than 1. B, less than 1 and less than 1. C, greater than 1 and less than 1. D, greater than 1 and greater than 1. All right, so here we need to understand about the Van Dorf's factor. Now, over here, the Van Dorf's factor is usually denoted by I. Now, this particular Van Dorf's factor, it designates or it represents the splitting of ions. Okay, so therefore, it usually shows the splitting of ions. Now here, splitting of ions, and sometimes it also denotes this particular value, magnitude of I also denotes association of ion. Okay, so this Van Dorf factor for dissociation, that is splitting, is given as I, the value that is I, is equal to 1 plus of alpha into the bracket of n minus of 1. Okay, and for associations, I, that is the Van Dorf factor, is given by 1 minus of into bracket of 1 minus 1 over n into alpha. Okay, now whatever the conditions are, over here we need to understand that for a dissociation, that is the value of I for dissociation. Okay, now this particular value of I is usually greater than 1, right? Because of the splitting patterns. While the value of I for any particular reaction showing an association of ions, here the value is usually lesser than 1. Now, according to the question that what we have over here, the Van Dorf's factor for the compound which undergoes dissociation. Now, they have used the term over here, dissociation first. That means, of course, the answer first should be greater than 1 in one solvent, and it undergoes association. That means in the next solvent, it is undergoing association. That means lesser than 1. So if we take this into consideration, then of course the answer should be as greater than 1 and lesser than 1. So therefore our option over here that lies is the option C as the correct one. Greater than 1 and less than 1 is the correct answer.